Well, before I continue, it's time to get the engine running again. I put some water in the block. I got gas pumped in there with some seafoam in it. Got my battery hooked up. I'm going to hook up for some reason the ballast resistor is not working. So we're going to burn up some points here. And possibly I'll get that laying there right. Okay. I got my remote start here tool. Let's see what happens. I hope I got it in parts. Good oil pressure. Starting to get a little water coming out of the top there. Oh, good oil pressure. I'm pretty happy with it. There we go. Alright, it's always good to know that the thing still runs. Keep the oil circulating. I will drain all the water out. Actually, I was thinking about running it just long enough to run the stuff out of the carburetor, but I got a lot of seafoam in there, so I don't know if it's going to matter. So there we go. I can get back to the body work again.